Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindako, and I'm back again with another interesting video. But before we start, if today is your first time watching, I welcome you on board. And please don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Today we are preparing kenkey, yeah, the famous FANTE kenkey in Ghana, and locally known as FANTE Dokono. It's a food loved by all and can be served with stew, soup, etc. Kenkey is made from corn and it can take days and time to prepare. But you can still prepare some in your house if you have the time and know the steps and the procedure to prepare. So let's get started. So you have to get your corn and soak them for minimum of 3 days. After the 3rd day, then you wash and grind them. You can also buy the ready-made corn flour if you don't have the corn. You then mix the corn flour with water and leave it to ferment for minimum of 3 days again.
Yeah. She's Steffi, and she'll be doing the kenkey today.
To start this, you need some hot water. So you first have to place some water on fire. And when the water is ready, you take half from the pot.
The hot water is now ready. So she's about to add the corn dough. This is the corn dough. This is the corn dough. This is the corn. Auntie, divide this one. Okay. So she's dividing the hot water. So this is the corn dough, and she's now adding the corn dough to the hot water. How many days? If it's 3 days and 4 days.
3 days. 3 days.
Okay. So the corn dough has been kept for 3 days. Okay, it's enough. Oh. Okay. He's about to stir and make like a porridge. Okay. So locally this is called a frata. Yeah, so she's doing the frata. This is where I was born, and I've been doing this when I was a baby or I was a kid. Yeah, my grandma used to wake us up early in the morning, like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. to do this because we sell kenkey over here. So I know how this is done. It's like doing benkuno, the same process.
You have to stir like the process of making benku, but this will not be fully cooked. It will be half done, okay? Semi cooked. Yeah.
So cleaning of the leaves for the wrapping of the kenkey. Anyway. So she's adding some water to it. Yeah. So it's been like 20 minutes. It's been like 20 minutes. I'll stir this benkuno. So she just added some water to it. So it's the same process as doing benkuno. The same process like doing the benkuno. So this is the raw one. It was divided into 2. So this is the half of the raw one. So she will add the half done corn dough, or the cooked one, the half one, to the raw one. Then she will mix it together. Tabaka fra. So it's been like 25 minutes. So now it's okay. So now all the fire has been taken off and it's been quenched. This is the final process, or the final stage. So very soon it will be transferred into the raw one. Okay. That's the cold water. Yeah, so because of the sun, we've transferred everything here, and yeah, so you can see the difference. The half done cooked corn dough and the raw one. This look more brownish. Yeah, and you might think, say, the corn dough looks reddish. Yeah, because we added yellow corn we added yellow corn to the white corn. That's why it's not all that white. Yeah. And so now we're about to mix it. So because it's hot, she's using the wooden ladder to mix it. I don't know. Just to also in a part. Okay, yeah. So she's supporting the chains or the pan. Yeah. So that doesn't slip back. She doesn't slip back. Yeah. It was 2 heads better than one, so she's now supporting. Yeah, we're on the process anyway of mixing the two together. It's two in Afra, this is Afra. I'm on the in Afra. With the ladder now, the wooden ladder, she's okay with it, and she'll be using her hand to mix it well. So before the leaves comes, she has to roll it to the size that she wants. One CD. Okay, so this 1 CD kenkey. So 1 CD, 1 CD, 4 CDs no go home. The time is now anyway. The wrapping is about to go down. She just did one, and it's bringing me back memories. Yeah. So you see how she's holding the leaves in her palm. Yeah. Then she go with one, pick it up, not after the day. Okay. You wash your home. So. Okay. Fold. That. Okay. And so now, this is our kenkey. This is the 1 CD kenkey. Anyway, this in FANTE DOKONO in finger. Yeah. Okay. So now that we are done with the wrapping of the kenkey, it's about to set the fire. So she's about to set the fire for the kenkey, the boiling of the kenkey. Locally, we are using the stones and the firewood to set. So that's what she's doing. Yeah. Okay, so to avoid the kenkey to get burned, she's adding these leaves, the extra leaves. Yeah. Okay. So this will prevent the kenkey from getting bent. Yeah. Okay, so water has been added.
And last one.
Okay, so this is our kenkey, and it's about to go down. So how many hours has it been?
3 hours.
3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours. From 2 to 3 hours, na kenkey no be sit up. Yeah, 2 to 3 hours. So this is how FANTE kenkey is done. The leaves, the original one from Fie.
So after arranging the kenkey, add some amount of water to it. Make sure it doesn't exceed the level of the kenkey. So to prevent the water from coming inside the fire when it boils. So you stay a bit lower, then you cover it, then you leave it on fire for 3 hours, depending on the temperature, the level of the temperature. But at least 3 hours is required.
Then it's set, and it's going to be on fire for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. You know, it can be even less depending on the fire. Because FANTE DOKONO lives in it, you know, Obuama or on Cherbing, yeah, you know. The next 2-3 hours, you know, yeah, FANTE DOKONO will be on set. I will be ready, yeah. This is after 1 hour 30 minutes, and she's about to control it and see how is it doing. Yeah, so you see, we have our stuff here, and she wants to add some water to it. So this will come on. Scenario. Yeah. So no sa to be a fee. I say she do like an hour, you know. Then I said these 2 boards here are protecting the fire, you know. And then fire not boom too much, need no do so protect fire. Yeah, to get very stable as sniffy happy any. Yeah, that's why I hold them 2 boards around, you know.
So whilst we're waiting for Kenkey to get ready, we are grinding this pepper because this is what will be used as the testing apparatus of the Kenkey. Yeah, so hot pepper with tomatoes and salted tilapia, which is Kobe. Man, it's about to go down. Testing officer 1.
In the typical village, this is how it is done. You know, to turn them over, you know, we change na fast. Don't have to say. You know, Dokona I need to Kobe. You know, Kobe. You know, no has yeah.
I am fine.
So after 3 hours, finally, no, yeah, Dokona I ready. You know, I set up what I yeah, you know. Okay.
I have fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I know I have fine.
Yeah. I'm trying to feel the end of Kunai, why Dokuna, you know. It's Dokuno Nani. On I FANTE DOKONO you think for Nani. And ya be easy, not those in the most Dani. Or Zizi.
Y'all invited. This is our FANTE Kenkey with hot pepper and salted tilapia, which is Kobe. Wow. Thanks for watching. See you again. Subscribe, share, leave your comments.
FANTE DOKONO you think for not set to a day. Man, you move up and you could do. See the Kunoni, man, you Kobe.